Hello guys, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make chat app using MIT app Inventor. In this chat app you can share the emojis or low size images, as well as you can communicate between one or more than one people as a text form. So let's begin. So here first I will explain the user interface things. So here I have taken one button. So basically this is a receiver button, and this is the receiver text box. This is the sender button. This is the sender text box, and this is the pick and emojis. So these things you can find on media. So this is available in media. You can see here. So this is the image picker. So by this block you can pick any images from the gallery, or you can pick any emojis, anything. This is the canvas where I'm going to display the things, display the images, and I have used two cloud database. So you can see here cloud db1 and cloud db2. So basically the things which I am going to send, this will come in cloud db. So through cloud db1 I will share the images, and I will store the images in cloud db1, and through this I will send the text form to another person. So you can see in the cloud db1 I have given the project ID name image sharing, and in db2 I have given the name image sharing 1. So always keep in your mind while retrieving the data, this cloud db1 project ID should be same. So for db1 you have to write image sharing, and for db2 you have to write image sharing 1. Now this part is covered. Now let's move to the coding part. So you can see this is the coding part. So when pick an emojis, when I click on this, then we have to call the galleries, and we have to store the data in cloud db1. So as I told you, cloud db1 I have used for sending the images or for storing the images, and cloud db2 I have used for sending the text or for retrieving the text. So always keep in mind, don't confuse, I have used two cloud database over here. One is for images and one is for text. In cloud database 2 I have retrieved the text, and cloud database 1 I have retrieved the images. So you can see the blocks are simple. You can see the coding part here. Now you have to make two apps for this. In one app you have to send the data, and in the second app you have to retrieve the data. But in both apps what I have done, you can write the things, you can receive the things, both things you have to do, right? So that's why we have used this kind of things. So basically you can see here, when sender button click, then you have to store some value as a text form in cloud db2, and here you can see you have to store the images things in cloud db1. But suppose second person is sharing something, then that will come in here. That will come here, cloud db1 tag and get tag, here get tag. And if someone is sharing some images, it will come on canvas, and if someone is sending the text, then it will receive in the receiver text box, it will print over here. Now let's move to the second one. So this is the second app. So basically all things will be similar in both apps. All user interface will be same. Even the coding part will be also same in both apps. So don't be confused. Only one thing you have to keep in your mind, that name should be always same. Whatever name you have given in first app, the project ID name should be same. Here for cloud db1 I have given image sharing, and in cloud db2 I have given a name image sharing 1. So don't confuse, always keep in mind the project ID should be same in both apps. And blocks programming will be same. Only one thing you have to keep in your mind, that tag part. Whatever you are sending from the first app you are retrieving, you have to retrieve as same tag. So you can see here in the first app I am sending the data as image, so here we are retrieving the tag name as image only. So if you are retrieving the tag name different way, then it will not get stored in that things. Now quickly I will show you how you have to do. So what I did, I have connected two phone on Google Meet. I will share how the things is happen. So here I am sharing the screen. So you can see. So I am going to write here in the sending text box, hi, how are you? And even I will pick an emojis. I will pick this one and I will write send. Then I will share this screen. So I am sharing my this screen, you can see guys. So just quickly I am going to open the app. So you can see already I have received that thing. Now again from this device I am going to send something like hello, I am okay, what about you? Again I click on send and even I will take emojis from this also. So I'm going to take emojis. I will send this one. Let's check with that device. So I'm going to present this device now. You can see this thing is come. Hello, I am okay. What about you? So guys, you can see this thing is very simple. So only this much programming you have to do. So if you like this video, please hit a like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.